Hi there, I'm Sarah, and I'm going to be sharing with you today about travel sites. The knowledge that I get from travel sites comes from firsthand experience. I have managed a hotel, a small hotel, for almost 4 years now, so I have a lot of firsthand experience with guests, talking to them, helping them book rooms, and also setting everything up for these travel sites for the resort that I work for. What exactly is a travel site? Basically, a travel site is something that helps a guest get connected with a hotel and then go ahead and book their room. Now, this works because these travel sites are getting paid from hotels every time that they make a booking, and they're going to be paying these travel sites anywhere between 15% to 30%. Usually it's closer to 15 or 18%. I also want to say that travel sites are not vacation rental sites, such as Airbnb or HomeAway. So this information is going to be incredibly valuable for anybody who may be booking a hotel. In fact, last year it was estimated about 39% of people booked hotels using travel sites. So whether you're traveling for business or vacation, you're going to want to keep this information handy. In fact, I have provided a free tool for you down below in the description. It has a printout that's completely free to you, and it's a guide for you to use for using travel sites. Print it out, it's free. I'd recommend you keep it with you. Let's get right into our 6 secrets. Secret number 1 is that Expedia and Booking.com own all of the travel sites that you have ever heard of. So sites like Trivago, Kayak, even TripAdvisor, Hotels.com, they are all owned by these 2 big companies. And that information is going to be included in the free printable below. And you'll see why that's going to be helpful later. But basically anything that you've ever heard of is owned by either Expedia or Booking.com. Secret number 2 is that Expedia and Booking.com only allow hotels to use certain kinds of options when setting up their policies. So, for example, your payment policy when you're going to be paying for your room, or a cancellation policy or pet policy, there are only a limited number of almost cookie cutter options that a hotel can choose when they're setting up their policy on these travel websites. You're going to get in the biggest problem with this if you need to cancel because somebody got sick, or you just can't go on your vacation or getaway, and you try to call and get a refund. It might even say in your email from Booking.com or Expedia that you're going to get a refund when you cancel, but that might not be the case. So to save yourself a world of time and money, you always want to go on to the hotel's website and read their policies thoroughly, particularly the 3 that I mentioned, when you're going to be paying for your room, and also if you can cancel, when you can cancel and get a refund. And if you're traveling with pets, it's important to educate yourself on their pet policy as well. So secret number 2 really brings me to secret number 3, which is that these travel sites are going to side with the hotel's policy, not the policies that that travel site already has listed. So if you do go to cancel and it says that you can cancel and get a refund, or if it says that you are going to pay for your room later, that might not be the case at all. And if you get into some kind of an issue where you're disputing something with the hotel, you're trying to get your money back, you're trying to cancel a reservation, that sort of thing, then the travel site is going to side with the hotel's policies as stated on their website, not as stated on the travel site's website for that hotel. All right, so let's move on to secret number 4. Secret number 4 is that if you need to make a change to your reservation using specifically Expedia.com, if you need to go alter that reservation in any way, you're not going to be able to. You will actually have to cancel the reservation and rebook the same reservation. So for example, if you needed to alter the dates of your reservation or maybe change to a different room, you are unable to just go into Expedia.com and change it. You have to cancel and rebook and hope that that hotel has the same availability. Are you guys ready for secret number 5? This one is my favorite. This secret states that a The travel site will sometimes allow people to double book a hotel room. Now, you can understand how irritating this is, both for a hotel who's really trying to accommodate somebody, and also for the guest who's just been called and told that they don't have a room after they spent all this time searching and clicking around and figuring out exactly what they wanted. In this situation, once you've made a reservation, it's always a good idea to call the hotel directly just to make sure everything's okay. And the hotel may even call you as well. So the final secret number 6, is that there's going to be a number of hidden fees and taxes that are just hidden away when you're using a travel site until either the very last minute, or sometimes you won't even know that there's an extra fee in there at all until after you've booked the room. And even then, you might not know until your card is charged. This is another example of when you should double check with the hotel directly. So that was our final secret, and I do have a number 1 tip for booking a hotel. But first, if you subscribe to this channel, I will be coming out each week with a new video that's designed to help you save money and help you save time and really streamline the process of booking a hotel, from booking the room to checking in and checking out. Okay, are you guys ready for that number 1 tip? It is book your hotel stay directly with a hotel. There's no need to go through a travel site. They are incredibly helpful for finding hotels, seeing pictures of the rooms, and getting to know the different hotels in the area that you're looking for. But when it comes time to actually make the reservation, I would recommend every time that you call the hotel. Number 1 is more than likely going to be a less expensive stay, especially if you let them know the prices that you saw on a travel site. And number 2, it's going to help if you ever need to change your reservation. Don't forget, down below I have that free travel site guide that you can print out and keep handing with you. Otherwise, that's it for today. Thank you so much. God bless, and we'll see you next time.